NMN5G is a cutting-edge anti-aging solution that has gained popularity in recent years. It is a combination of two powerful compounds, nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, and 5G technology. NMN is a naturally occurring molecule that plays a key role in energy production and cellular repair. It has been shown to improve a variety of age-related health issues, including cognitive decline, metabolic dysfunction, and cardiovascular disease. Together, NMN and 5G cellular technology create a powerful anti-aging solution that works at the cellular level. By targeting cellular energy production and repair mechanisms, NMN5G can help to slow down the aging process and improve overall health and well-being. One of the key benefits of NMN5G is its ability to improve cognitive function. Studies have shown that NMN can improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. This makes NMN5G an ideal solution for anyone looking to maintain cognitive function and prevent age-related cognitive decline. Another benefit of NMN5G is its ability to improve metabolic function. NMN has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and increase fat metabolism, while 5G cellular technology can improve the efficiency of cellular communication and signaling. This makes NMN5G an effective solution for managing and preventing metabolic disorders such as diabetes and obesity. In addition to these benefits, NMN5G has also been shown to improve cardiovascular health, boost the immune system, and increase lifespan. It is a safe and natural solution that does not have any known side effects. Overall, NMN5G is a promising next-generation anti-aging solution. If you are interested in learning more about NMN5G and its benefits, contact us.